What's up everyone, today on TV Box Top we have the next step in the evolution of portable monitors, delivering more features with Ultra HD display. This is the InnoView 4K Ultra HD touchscreen portable monitor. This is their 14-inch model and there's also a 15.6 inches model. In the past year, I've featured a couple of 1080p models on this channel, but this is my first 4K Ultra HD touchscreen model, so I'm quite excited to see what improvements in quality it brings to the table. In this review, we take a detailed look at its design, button placement and connecting ports. I'll try out the touchscreen feature both when connected to a mobile phone and Android TV box, and I'll also do a side-by-side picture comparison with a 1080p model to see if there's a true difference in picture quality. So stay tuned, that's up next. This portable monitor has a resolution of 4K 3840 by 2160p. It has a touchscreen feature. It has a brightness level of 400 candela per square meter or equivalent to 400 lumens. It has 100% sRGB abundant colors. It has 16.7 million 8-bit color pixels. It features HDR display. It has a 178 degrees IPS panel for wide-angle viewing, along with no splash low blue light eye protection. It has built-in speakers plus a headphone jack. It can connect to Android mobile devices and iOS devices, but iOS devices need a special adapter. And to top it off, it has 180 degrees auto screen rotation to portrait mode. Contents of this package include the 4K monitor itself, a pair of Type-C to Type-C cables, one HDMI to micro HDMI cable, one USB-A female to micro USB male adapter, a switch-in power adapter ranging from 5 volts 3 amps to 20 volts 1.5 amps, a lint-free cleaning cloth, a warranty card and user manual, and it comes with a durable padded felt material carrying case. For its design, the entire body is made of plastic, with the actual display size being 12¼ inches wide by 6¾ inches tall by 14 inches diagonally, with a 1.2-inch bezel at the bottom that houses its speakers and electronic components. It has a very thin bezel to the top and sides with rounded edges to facilitate touch and swipe functions without your fingers coming into contact with rough edges. To the left side, it has 2 Type-C display ports and 1 micro HDMI port. On the right side, it has a headphone jack, 1 micro USB port, and a power button that also functions as a menu button. To the back of the monitor, you have a very sturdy kickstand. And below the monitor, you have anti-skid rubber pads, both on the monitor itself and on the kickstand. Below here is where you'll also find the built-in dual internal speakers. Before you begin using this monitor, there are some power requirements you need to take note of. In other 1080p monitors, your standard 5 volts 2 amps power supply from a phone charger or reverse charging via your mobile device would have been sufficient to power those monitors, because on average they use 7 watts of power to run themselves and around 12 watts while in desktop mode. However, this 4K monitor requires more amperage and wattage to run itself and power devices connected to it. So with mobile phones, it requires a 9 volts 3 amps power source, and for other devices such as handheld gaming consoles, it may require up to 45 watts of power. This cannot be provided by your regular phone charger, hence they have included a power adapter that ranges from 5 volts to 20 volts, between 1.5 to 3 amps up to 45 watts. So this means that unless your device has that kind of power to reverse charge it, it will not work without using the included power adapter. So here it's without any device connected and it's drawing 13 watts using 0.20 amps of power. When connected to a mobile phone in desktop mode, it uses 21 watts 0.29 amps of power. So the most common way to use a portable monitor is with your mobile phone or tablet that has a desktop mode. This is usually done by connecting directly to your phone or tablet and using your phone's touchscreen to navigate the desktop. A more popular way is by using a Type-C hub, where you can connect a wireless controller such as a PC mouse or a mouse, which makes navigation a whole lot easier. With the InnoView 4K portable monitor, it has two features not seen in other models. The first one is that you can perform touchscreen functions when connected to your mobile phone or tablet. And the other is that it has a built-in USB hub with a micro USB adapter that allows you to connect USB controllers to navigate the desktop. This takes away the need to use a Type-C hub. Accessing and navigating the settings area couldn't be simpler. Simply press the power button once to gain access, then everything is touchscreen thereafter. The settings area is divided into three sections. The first section is where you can adjust the volume, brightness, and contrast. You can switch between the Type-C display or micro HDMI display if you have two devices connected at the same time. You can select to force the display to remain fixed in portrait mode in both directions. And it's also where you can activate the no splash low blue light eye protection. You can disable auto screen rotation to portrait mode, and you have a mute button and a reset button. The next section is for color adjustment. You can choose from one of the color presets. You have standard, movie, game, text, FPS, and RTS presets. You have red, blue, and green color temperature adjustments. You have a 6500 color temperature, a 9300, and you have the option to set your own custom color settings. The last section is where you can select to turn HDR always on. You can turn it off, or you can set it to activate automatically. You can change the language, and there's a feature to enable when used with Mac devices. You have a FreeSync button, which is a function that allows the display to delay the output of the picture and wait for the graphics card to render so that the picture output by the graphics card and the picture of the display are synchronized. And there is an OD button which activates refresh rate overdrive. When connected to a mobile device, you can rotate the screen 180 degrees in portrait mode and it will change its display orientation automatically. However, it does not have a gyro function for playing Android games. This is a 4K monitor, but it can also show in any resolution below that, such as 480p, 720p, and 1080p. Most mobile phones that has a desktop mode has a maximum resolution of 1080p from the most popular desktop UIs such as Samsung DeX and EMUI. So to achieve 4K with HDR, you will have to connect it to either a gaming console, an Android TV box, or Windows Mini PC. So here I have it connected to an Android TV box that has HDR display, and there are advantages and disadvantages of having it connected to this device. Firstly, when connected to an Android TV box, you get various display resolutions such as 480p, 720p, 1080p, and 4K 2160p with HDR. The major disadvantage is that touchscreen function does not work because the box itself does not have that feature. So its 4K HDR display is good as it gets when compared to TVs and other monitors with HDR. And this is how it looks with 3D gaming.
Hey, glad it's still working. Got it already. Yeah, you won't scare me.
So for my final demonstration, here I have it connected to a Windows 10 mini PC in dual display mode with my best 1080p model. And for a fair picture comparison, I duplicated both monitors in 1080p resolution, and I will now play a YouTube HDR video. So using the same settings on both models such as brightness, HDR and color temperature, the InnoView produces brighter colors and display. When connected to a Windows 10 mini PC, the touchscreen function doesn't work. It will only work with a mobile Windows 10 device. So in summary, the InnoView 4K portable monitor is my best model yet, and I would very much like to see the quality you get from their 15.6 inches model. There is one challenge, and that is seeing that it's a touchscreen monitor, you will often have to clean it with the included cleaning cloth, as it tends to gather lots of fingerprints. And with that said, I've come to the end of this review. Thanks goes out to InnoView for sending their monitor for review. I really appreciate the support. If you are impressed with this new model and would like to get your hands on one, you can get it directly from InnoView at the lowest price possible using the special link in the description below this video. This link is an affiliate link, and using it to purchase or simply just to view the product provides monetary support to this channel and provides the means for me to acquire new products for review. So thanks in advance for your support. Give this video the thumbs up if you like this product and enjoyed the video. If you are new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell before leaving to keep in the loop as to when I release new videos or decide to do a giveaway. Thanks for your continued support. Stay tuned and I'll be seeing you in the next one.